Part of body. Hand. How do they say hand in Japanese? In this lesson, you will learn about how to they call finger in Japanese. Let's go to learn together. Hand. How do they say hand in Japanese? Te. Te. Te is mean hand. Pingy. How do they say pingy in Japanese? Koyubi. Koyubi. Koyubi is mean pingy. Ring finger. How do they say ring finger in Japanese? Kusuri yubi. Kusuri yubi. Kusuri yubi is mean ring finger. Middle finger. How do they say middle finger in Japanese? Nakayubi. Nakayubi. Nakayubi is mean middle finger. Index finger. How do they say index finger in Japanese? Hitosashi yubi. Hitosashi yubi. Hitosashi yubi is mean index finger. Thumb. How do they say thumb in Japanese? Oyayubi. Oyayubi. Oyayubi is mean thumb. Now let's review how to learn about the part of hands such as finger. One more again together. The first, thumb. Oyayubi. Oyayubi. Index finger. Hitosashi yubi. Hitosashi yubi. Middle finger. Nakayubi. Nakayubi. Ring finger. Kusuri yubi. Kusuri yubi. Pinky. Koyubi. Koyubi. Thank you very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. If you have any question about Japanese language, please comment below and I will answer it later. ありがとうございました。